In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your CPU run faster on your computer. Now, this can be really useful to improve the performance and also the speed of your Windows 11 system. Now, the first step is to go and open up the Start menu on your computer. You then need to search for Edit Power Plan and click on this option here. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings and then click on the drop-down arrow and make sure Performance is selected. You then need to scroll down to Processor Power Management and click on the drop-down. Go and expand minimum processor state and make sure both of these numbers are set to 100%. And then we're going to expand the drop down next to maximum processor state and also make sure these are both set to 100%. And then you can go and press apply and OK. Now the next thing you'll need to do is open back up the Start menu, search for settings and then click on the settings window. In the left hand side, click on apps and then scroll down and click on startup. You then need to go through this list of applications and disable all of your startup apps. So as you can see, if I go through the list here, most of my apps are already disabled, and you can disable an application just by toggling the button to off like so. You can then click on apps from the left hand side and click on installed apps. And another thing that I'd recommend doing is just uninstalling any applications that you don't use or don't need, as this can just improve the overall performance of your system. Now you also need to make sure that your computer or your laptop is kept cool at all times, so you could consider using something like a cooling pad, or at the very least you just need to make sure the vents aren't being obstructed by anything and that the air can flow freely. So that's how you increase the CPU speeds. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.